The Muslim community in Cameroon has shown that it is poised to stamp out Boko Haram activities by standing firm behind President Paul Biya in the crusade against the Nigerian militant group. Sensitization of Muslim faithfuls is intensifying day by day. Another side of the strategy put in place by Muslim leaders is based on interreligious dialogue. The latter is the central point of this meeting of Muslim traditional rulers and leaders of institutions directly linked to the palace administration in the littoral region. Converged on the Douala Central Mosque Friday, they are preaching the anti-Boko Haram message under the theme Interreligious Dialogue, Bedrock of Peace and Stability, projected by the head of state within a context of rising terrorism.
Il fallait sensibiliser tous nos fidèles musulmans.
We are calling on all Muslim faithfuls to reject the Boko Haram and its activities by supporting the head of state in the war against the Nigerian militant group. Nobody wants to live in fear, and so we are saying no to the Boko Haram. Addressing the Muslim leaders, Ludovic Ngwa, Secretary General at the Littoral Regional Governor's Office, reiterated the main point of an exposé by Sheikh Ali Muhammadu Situ, indicating that all persons should be agents of peace at the service of stability.